This is the bottling line for small, tall aluminum bottles with a sprayer cap. It comes with a monoblock, comes with filling, capping, and this one, the labeler, is a horizontal labeler. You can tell from there is a cap feeder. This is specially designed cap feeder and also caps tube tech to make sure all the caps feeding to that tracks come with tubes. So we use vibration here for caps feeding, and another system here to check the tubes. To check the tubes, and they put a ejection system, ejector station here. Once no tube, the machine will reject it from this part. So all the caps feed into this vibration channel comes with tubes. At the beginning, we specially designed a hopper. This hopper for the operator just needed to load this bottles into this hopper, and then the machine will run under automatic mode. This bottles will feeding from here one by one, and we put 4 nozzles here to fill. So this is a specially designed higher speed one. Every station comes 2 sets, twin settings. This 4 nozzles, 2 caps loading, 2 crimping stations. When the start will keep running, this one, the first 2 feeder fill the first time, and then the second 2 feeder fill the second time. After that, 2 loading, caps loading, to suction the caps and load to the caps to the bottom out. And we use guide here, put a guide here to guide the tube into the bottle, because this bottom out is very small, and sometimes the tube is soft with curve. So we put a guide there to guide the tube into this bottle. Pre-crimping, most times the tube is longer than the bottle, so that cap will be pushed out from this mouth by the longer tube. So we use pre-crimping one to hold the caps to the mouth of the bottle, and then after this is crimping. This is the station. We transferred the bottles from this monoblock to the labeling machine. This is the horizontal labeling machine. Comes with a ribbon belt coder to add some code to the labels. Okay, this whole line, the speed around because the tube, because the special caps and tube, so the speed around this is around 50 per minute. So 1 or 2 operators just take care of loading bottles, loading caps, and also collecting. I suggest 2 operators. They can work together to make sure the whole line running smoothly.